They don't miss you until you stop chasing. Let me hit you with something straight out of the gate. The moment you cease begging for their time is the moment they scramble for yours. You vanish from their stories, stay off their chat, and suddenly they're refreshing your profile, wondering who you're with, what you're doing, why you ghosted them. Funny, isn't it? They never blinked when you were always there, but now that you're quiet, you haunt them. Before we dive deeper, do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe, and stick around because what's coming will flip the power dynamic in your favor. No more chasing. No more crumbs. Only strategy. Stop being their 24/7 convenience store. Every time you answer on demand, reply instantly, or rearrange your schedule for them, you teach them your attention costs nothing. They shop at your free drive-through of emotional support without paying a dime. They don't value what's on tap 24/7. Imagine putting a sign over your heart that reads, "Always open." They treat it like a self-service buffet. Instead, set a 24-hour reply rule. If they don't meet you halfway, you close the gates. Watch them circle back, suddenly concerned with your out-of-office status. Silence isn't weakness, it's a signal. People mistake it for a snub, but when you go quiet, that silence screams louder than any rant you could have posted. Picture yourself as the radio station that blasted their favorite songs nonstop, then hit off. Total panic. Silence isn't cruelty, it's clarity. It broadcasts, "I choose peace over your chaos." Tomorrow, don't respond for a full day. See how they refill the void you left. That void becomes a billboard flashing your value. She's not waiting around anymore. Let your absence serve as the ultimate billboard. They'll never miss you until they feel the emptiness you created. You're a lighthouse that dims its beam. Suddenly their ship drifts into darkness, and they realize you were the safe harbor all along. Pull back on your good morning texts, your "you up?" pings, your random check-ins. The void you leave becomes a neon sign. Attention now requires effort. That's how you make them work for the sequel. Reclaim your time. They'll reclaim their manners. Every minute you spend refreshing your phone for their read, receipt is a minute stolen from your goals, your grind, your life. When they learn your availability isn't negotiable, your gym time, your work blocks, your family dinners, they'll start respecting your schedule. Block off no chat zones in your calendar and don't break them. If they slide in, make them arrive with real conversation instead of half-baked small talk. Flip the narrative and make them earn the sequel. Stop starring in their predictable rom-com and force them to audition for the next chapter. They assume you'll pick up where you left off, but you deliver a plot twist. You're only available on your terms. Next time they reach out, respond with one sentence, then wait. Let them write the rest of the script. That suspense turns you from a known quantity into an irresistible question mark. Leverage the what-if factor. Uncertainty is addictive. When you pull away, they'll replay your last exchange, analyze every tone, every pause. Leave the final word unsaid. End your threads with a cliffhanger. They'll lean across the void you created, desperate to fill in the blanks. That's the genius of making your silence work for you. They obsess over what they can't have. Here's your affirmation for today. My presence is not a given, it's a gift, and I decide when to give it. Type it in the comments. Post it on your story. Whisper it to yourself every morning. Once you own that truth, no one can take your power. Silence isn't defeat, it's leveling up. Stop feeding their entitlement and start feeding your self-respect. If this hit home, drop a fire below and share it with someone who needs this wake-up call. We're just getting started. Stay tuned.